Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in materials and values. This saves time later. Lay down a light compositional sketch, then block in the trunk and major branches with a thin mid-tone wash so you can see form. Mix 3-5 base colors, 2 leaf greens, a mid-tone, a darker brown, and a lighter highlight. This keeps color harmony. Once done, simplify leaf mass into shapes. Don't paint every leaf. Make sure to keep edges soft where foliage meets sky to suggest depth. Now focus on form and texture. Deepen trunk shadows with a cooler, darker brown and use short, directional strokes to suggest bark. This tells the viewer the tree's structure. For foliage, work dark to light, lay in shadow masses first, then add midtones and finally highlights with a broken, stippling technique to create leaf clusters. Once you add temperature shifts, warm highlights versus cool shadows, the tree reads three-dimensional. Make sure to leave breathing space. Finish by refining edges and adding crisp highlights on the sunlit side. Use a small round brush for twigs and selective leaf accents so the viewer's eye has focal points. Step back often. If the whole tree reads flat, raise contrast by deepening core shadows and brightening highlights slightly. If you see a stiff, patterned canopy, soften some edges and introduce varied value strokes to break repeats. One troubleshooting tip. If paint looks muddy, lift gently with a damp brush and glaze clean color after it dries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.